Hello everybody and welcome back to another video of the Artificial Professor, and in this one we are going to be learning how you can remove watermarks in Photoshop within 60 seconds. So let's just get started. So first of all, what you are going to be doing is that you're going to be simply selecting this particular tool called lasso tool. So you can see when I click on that, it is basically selected. Now you need to make a selection onto your watermark. So here, as you can see, I have this watermark and I'm going to be making a selection. So just like that, I'm going to be making a selection around it, and now simply right click on your selection and you can see we have this option of fill. Simply click on that, and now we are going to be selecting content aware fill. So you can see we have this content aware fill selected from this particular list. Now we need to click on OK. So simply click on OK and you can see the area is completely clear and we have our watermark removed completely. So that's a pretty simple process to do so. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share around with your friends. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next one.